Hi, I'm Heather, and I lead our design team here at Coursera. Welcome to this certificate program on UX design tools. Being a designer at Coursera is exciting because we get to create real impact at a global scale. Our work goes beyond pixels and prototypes. We help open doors to education for millions of learners worldwide. By crafting intuitive, accessible, and engaging user experiences, we empower people to transform their lives and reach their goals through learning. We are thrilled to introduce a certificate that offers a chance to step into this impactful field. It's your opportunity to learn the skills to design meaningful user-centered solutions that humanize technology and solve real-world challenges. In this program, my team of designers and researchers are going to give you a window into our world as practitioners. We'll be sharing our real experiences of designing the Coursera product so that you can learn from our successes and challenges as a team. In the courses that follow, you'll dive into the principles and practices of UX design. From user research and wireframing to prototyping and usability testing, you'll master the essential tools and techniques that drive successful product design. But theory alone is not enough. Throughout the program, you'll work on real-world projects, applying your skills to solve complex design challenges. Each project is crafted to simulate the demands of a professional UX designer, ensuring you gain practical experience that translates directly to the job market. Instead of waiting until the end, the project is broken up and distributed throughout every lesson of the course. And here's the best part. You'll have the opportunity to learn from industry experts and seasoned UX professionals who have faced the same challenges you'll encounter. They'll share their insights, strategies, and hard-earned wisdom, giving you a look behind the scenes at what it takes to succeed in this dynamic field. In this course, we'll start with a discovery phase, conducting user research, gathering requirements, and creating personas and journey maps to deeply understand your users. Then, we'll dive into wireframing and prototyping using powerful UX design tools. You'll learn to transform insights into low-fidelity, clickable prototypes that bring your designs to life. And for the final project, you'll design a basic prototype, applying user research and wireframing skills from scratch. So, whether you're an aspiring UX designer looking to break into the industry or a seasoned professional seeking to sharpen your understanding of key skills, this certificate program will provide the tools and tips you need to be successful.